Plastic waste is a problem across the world, and we want to help fix it in Utah by starting at our school, Utah Valley University. The problem is Utah Valley University does not incentivize students enough to recycle here or recycle correctly.
Now, UVU does have the education here on the wall, but after the 409th time walking this hall, this is the first time I have ever seen this. Therefore, the information isn't getting into the heads of the students. Now, on top of that, what's happening here, the current solution they have is these blue bins right here. But unfortunately, some of them contradict each other. The top here saying plastic bottles only, while the bottom says aluminum cans only. Therefore, we need a better solution to this problem.
The current solution to the problem is blue recycling bins. The waste from these bins is taken to factories to be separated and curated. It's good that there is an option to recycle, but there is nothing stopping unrecyclable material from being tossed in, and UVU is not even getting enough material to receive any profit. One of our administrators here at the school actually told us that they have to pay someone to have their recycling program.
So our new solution is to place reverse plastic vending machines throughout the hallways on campus. So the idea of this is to incentivize students by using a reimbursement on their tuition. So essentially they're going to receive bonuses towards their tuition when they recycle correctly. So that'll be based on a tier system that I will go into later. And the machine will have the ability to actually scan a card that the student has to be able to register the tuition bonus with that student.
There are dozens of private companies out there that would love to buy recycled materials. They'll pay anywhere between $1 and $5 per pound depending on the material and how many pounds are sold at a given time. Bulk is always better. This system is designed to reward students for more trash brought in at a given time so that the school can make a better profit. Here's an example of how that would play out. Here's a few of the many tax incentives and benefits in the state of Utah for schools and businesses. Eligible recycling businesses that are located in a locally designated recycling market development zone qualify for 5% Utah state income tax credit on the cost of machinery and equipment, 20% Utah state income tax credit up to $2,000 on eligible operating expenses, technical assistance from state recycling economic developmental professionals, various local incentives including zoning assistance, and discounted business license fees. This solution jumps the curve because it helps motivate students in a unique way to recycle correctly, where before there was a lack of motivation for students on campus to recycle. It helps the university make money by having large sums of plastic to sell. It helps the businesses buying the plastic to make money and receive clean plastic, and it reimburses tuition through recycling. If this idea is implemented, UVU will go from having to pay to recycle to making a profit from recycled materials and in turn educating and incentivizing students to go green.